This is a room tour of 3347 on Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. You can hear the fireworks. What time is it?
Welcome to our, which I think, by the way, I'm just going to say it, I think the nicest room we've stayed at Disney so far, and we've stayed at quite a few deluxe resorts.
Just saying.
Just saying.
Not bragging.
Not
already.
bragging, but maybe Animal Kingdom Lodge and Wilderness Lodge are both very good as well, so actually.
But these are
very, very good. But for a moderate,
rated.
this is amazing. So, you walk into the room, you've got a nice little seating area, and we've had a note from our housekeeper saying, "We hope your room feels welcoming and adds to the amazing memories you'll create here. Thanks for choosing Port Orleans French Quarter. Sincerely, your housekeeper team." Very cute.
Using the one that's the point.
Yes. I know this is off-brand, but I've had my one on my person for a few days, and now I'm used to using it for everything. So we got Tiana.
Just Tiana, yeah.
And what's the
one of the alligators.
name?
Should we call him Fred for now?
Oh, he's got a famous name. Sorry. 2 beds.
2 are the king, queen, singles.
Queen. Only 2 queen.
Yeah.
Little bedside table in the middle with the Disney Me thing, which we will immediately unplug and put as far away as possible as we can because it's annoying.
Just turn some lights on. Oh. Whoa!
Ooh!
Oh, these ones on the side of the bed. There we go. Put them both on, yeah.
And then you've also got like reading lights as well on each side of the bed. So yeah. Oh, we need to find where the Holy Bible is, don't we? Then you've got this massive, like, it feels like a kitchen size, like, unit. So we're going to have loads of storage. So we've got like Holy Bible.
Holy Bible! Drawer. Fridge, Steph,
nice big fridge.
You can't see this. You have to move out of the way.
Move out of the way. Nice big fridge.
Is it
It'll
cold?
be a cooler, not a fridge. Another drawer there. Big load of storage under there. You've got your coffee maker, all the bits and bobs. Some shelving here for
Coffee maker saying. So we've got
bits
some
and
what?
bobs.
Green tea, creamers, Joffrey's
Joffrey's.
coffee. We've got some Earl Grey as well.
Here is the climate control.
Just do the. There we go. 69.
There's some hooks by the door as well, which I always really appreciate.
Joining door as well with Liz and James next door.
They'll love that. And then you've got a really big bathroom, 2 sinks, which Mike feels very strongly about. Just nearly knocked himself out on the sink. We'll go in here. So you've got more storage underneath there, massive big mirror.
Nice tiles too.
I always really appreciate this shelf here as well. I think it's really good to like have all your stuff up on the shelf and then your sink area isn't cluttered.
Does that light come on? No,
That one.
there you go. Oh yeah. Wow.
Then in here, I'll let Mike take you in. Look, toilet and shower, nice and big.
There you go. There's no skidders, thankfully. Thank you. Got a rainfall shower. I'm going to film me in the shower, Steph. I'm 6 foot what? What am I? Is that pointed upwards?
6'1" and a bit.
I'll just there we go.
6'1" and a bit. It was like, you know that moment when you put your phone on selfie mode and it's just really awful. That just happened basically.
Actually, this is not great because you can't move this.
Yeah, we can move the bottom one.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Either way. Ooh.
Nice big shower. You've got your 3 products and a little storage area up there as well.
Also a little wire for your hanging. That thing put on there for your trunks. Oh, some hooks there as well. Some catching hooks.
And then we've got a really, really big wardrobe in here.
Steph, hang on.
Show you.
Just going to show the products properly. Body wash. Go back to this bit. We haven't done storage.
You've also got a lot of storage, so really big wardrobe, loads of hangers, extra pillows and stuff. And then loads more like shelves and storage there.
It's a corner thing, steam
How
iron.
nice is this flooring in the bathroom as well?
There's a steam iron, there's a hairdryer as well. Oh, we've got an ironing board as well. It's a random bit of space. Also as well, housekeeping, day 1, 3, 5 and 7. And then 9 and 11. So we're going to get quite a few bit of housekeeping then. We're here for 11 days.
I am in love with this room. Like, genuinely nothing. Oh, that's amazing as well. Right, this is a real bugbear of mine, is a lot of Disney resorts you have bedside table on one side. There's a little, it's not a proper bedside table, but at least there isn't one on this side, but still I'm down with that.
Yeah, so I suffer from sleep apnea, so I use CPAP machines, that's why this Disney thing gets booted off. I will do one thing that you've missed, Stephanie. Power. USB-C, USB normal, 2 plugs.
Same over here.
And you've got that again. There's also a HDMI here, which I'm not able to use, but does that mean you can like put something on the TV? But yeah. We're here for 11 days. Oh, we never did an Aventura, like, thoughts. Maybe we can do it in a bit, like, but yeah. Thanks for watching, bye.